Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't hear anything during phone calls on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first thing you will need to do while you are on a call is press the volume up button. Now here you should see this volume slider. Make sure it is turned all the way up. However, if this doesn't work, go to the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on accessibility. Now in this menu, tap on hearing enhancements. Here you will need to make sure that the mute all sounds option is not enabled. If it is, go ahead and turn it off. However, if this doesn't work, go back to the main settings page, tap on general management. Now scroll down and tap on reset. Now here you will need to select this reset all settings option and then tap on this reset setting button to confirm. Now this won't delete any of your phone's data, but this will reset all the settings on your phone and hopefully solve your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.